I'm not one to constantly talk about free speech and how it's violated or whatever, but this is pretty ridiculous and it applies to YouTube. There's a company called PragerU that filed a lawsuit against YouTube that argues that YouTube's decision to place more than 100 of its videos in restricted mode and flag them as quote-unquote dangerous infringed on its free speech, and that because YouTube is acting as a public forum, it must allow individuals and organizations to exercise their free speech rights. Sounds pretty good to me, I would agree with that. This link leads to their entire legal document about the situation where they highlight it in detail, and a court apparently made a ruling on the lawsuit, and in their ruling they said that YouTube is a private forum and the First Amendment does not apply. A direct quote is right here, and it says, despite YouTube's ubiquity and its role as a public-facing platform, it remains a private forum, not a public forum subject to judicial scrutiny under the First Amendment. Man, that's like a tongue twister right there. So then their CEO responded to this and wrote, as we feared, the Ninth Circuit got this one wrong, and the important issue of online censorship did not get a fair shake in court. Sadly, it appears as if even the Ninth Circuit is afraid of Goliath, Google. We're not done fighting for free speech and we will keep pushing forward. So yeah, a company like Google will have a lot of power. The ruling against a big company like Google will probably not be a good idea. And then they briefly mentioned YouTube's bias towards the left-wing politics. So yeah, according to that court ruling, the First Amendment does not apply to YouTube because apparently it's a private forum, not a public forum. I don't know about that one, man. And for those of you that don't live in America, the First Amendment refers to freedom of speech, religion, press, and all that. So they're essentially saying that the First Amendment does not apply to YouTube, so no free speech, I guess. Yeah, I would heavily disagree with that, or I mean, maybe it's true, but it shouldn't be like that, that's my point. Yeah, but that's just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about the situation in the comments. Don't freak out though, it's not like YouTube is going to start like restricting every single person's speech or something like that. They're just saying that YouTube is within its rights to censor certain content they believe is dangerous, even when they're completely wrong. Many YouTubers, including myself, have been wrongfully punished by YouTube in the past, but hey, what are you going to do? So if you really enjoy someone's content and enjoy them as a person or whatever, try to support them in every single way. But yeah, please like the video if you enjoyed it, follow me on Twitter at DeepHumor for updates on videos, and subscribe for more. See ya.